So I just turned my iPhone 8 Plus into an iOS 4 device. So in this video, I'm just going to share with you how you're going to be able to also turn your iPhone into an iOS 4 device. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share to anyone you think that's going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So when I swipe on my screen like this is just going to work like an old iPhone right here. So you can see this is an iPhone 8 Plus, and the developer who did this did a great job. And trust me, everything in this app right here works perfectly. You can go to the settings and go to your general. Anything you see right here works like the old iPhones, and I think it took him a lot of time because trying to bring this all together is very difficult, trust me. And you can just turn toggles off like we used to do on old iPhones, and basically that is very cool right here. When you check the settings, everything is in line, everything is intact. We can go home, we press home, and there we go. And you can go to Safari, everything opens perfectly like it's working like an old iPhone. You press home, you go, you tap on your mail, you can input your mails right here and then get everything started. You tap on iPod, you're gonna get your songs right here. I don't have any songs on my phone right at the moment, and you're gonna get all your songs right here. So basically all the apps right here are working perfectly. You go to your messages too, you're gonna see he's actually trying to get this done. So they said messages is coming soon, so he's gonna update it actually. So this is actually in beta, right? So if I'm gonna show you how you're gonna do it, you're gonna be a beta tester of this app, and anytime it comes or it gets open, you're gonna just update it and you are good to go. So when you tap on the App Store too, you're gonna see all your apps right here, and it works perfectly like the old iPhones. And I'm just gonna try see if maybe I try downloading an app is gonna just work out. Let me just tap on it and see if it's gonna work out. Maybe it might open my okay, so it's gonna open my store, but yeah, we're just gonna take it like that. So I'm gonna show you how you're gonna just get this app on your phone. So first of all, I'm just gonna delete this app for the sake of this video, and yeah, so I've deleted the app. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to my description, right, and you tap on this link which I'm gonna leave in my description, and you're gonna see this run right here. When you tap on it, you're gonna click on accept, and you're gonna download the app onto your device. So some of you who might see this video later might not get a chance to install it because it's a beta testing thing, and you might see the video at a time where the beta program is full. So if you don't get to install it, you can just try it later on and it's gonna work for you. So you click on install, and then the app is just gonna install for you, and it's gonna take a little bit of time. And after it's done, you're gonna see open right here, and boom, everything is gonna work for you. So I'm gonna wait for this to install, and after it's done, I'm just gonna show you how things are gonna look like after it's done. So once it's done, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna tap on open, and then your app is just gonna pop up like this, and you're gonna tap on next right here, and then you tap on start testing, and boom, you are good to go. Everything is gonna work perfectly like I showed you guys, and you're gonna get your iOS 4 right here. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share to anyone you think that is gonna be helpful to them too, and without further ado, I'm just gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.